Welcome, today I will show you Adidas OZWEEGO shoes. I will check how they look from each side and I will make focus on the details such as a size tag or the glue sticking out the rubber. So yeah, let's start. Okay, that's all from the box. There's nothing inside. I mean, nothing more inside. And so right now let's go straight to our shoes. And we are going to start from the left one. So let's take a look on the size tag, how it looks. Okay, so right now we are going to move for the right one, and that's the size tag of the right shoe. Oh, I have to zoom in a little bit because it's just focused right here on this material instead of the size tag inside. Okay, I think that right now we catch the focus on this size tag. Okay, so honestly they are well made, but in some places we can find the glue that is coming at the top on the material from the rubber, like for example here on this place, and also the same you can spot on the left shoe. like here for example. But honestly, I can compare them to the Nike Air Force One, and which are of a similar price. And these sneakers, Adidas OZWEEGO, are just better made when you talk about the quality. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.